DJI Smart Controller, Beta Firmware testing, DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Got that coming up next. As you're aware of, I was selected by DJI to go ahead and do beta testing of the latest firmware for the DJI Smart Controller. And you've already seen, I've already filmed a segment regarding my testing on the DJI Phantom 4 Pro V2.0, which went very well. This segment, we're going to go ahead and show you the clip from my filming with the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. So let's go ahead and roll that clip right now.
Okay. We're going to be testing the beta firmware using the DJI Mavic 2 Pro for the DJI Smart Controller right now. So let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and do an auto takeoff. Okay, we are up in the air here. Get up to about 100 feet or so. And we're going to be able to catch a little bit of the sunset tonight too at the same kind of thing here. It's a beautiful evening and we're here in time to catch a little bit of sunset and also test to see how the beta firmware is working on the smart controller for the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. So let's go ahead and take a little flight here. Love the reflection of the sun off the water. It just looks absolutely gorgeous here. We get to the end of the lake here. The reflection is just absolutely beautiful. Everything looking absolutely fantastic. When we get close to the house, I'm going to go ahead and okay, we are here right now. Let's go ahead and we're going to orient it towards the other end of the lake here. And head out that way. Everything looking absolutely perfect with this. You know, whenever you get beta firmware, you need to test everything, and I'm testing the Mavic 2 Pro, just going through the paces right now, seeing make sure everything's working good with this. Okay, we're going to take a little bit of a side trip here and head over towards where this new development is. Let's take a look and check out what they're building over here. Okay, very interesting. It's going to go ahead and towards the other end of the lake here. Good, very responsive, absolutely. There's that beautiful sunset I'm getting tonight. Okay, we're going to take it towards the other corner over there, and then we're going to head home. clouds reflection off the lake is just absolutely gorgeous. We are reaching the corner of the lake over there now, and we're going to go ahead and stop. Let's orient ourselves to home. And let's head home here. Everything's looking absolutely textbook here. This is excellent. And here we go. We are almost overhead, and we are there right now. Kind of get things lined up here. Bit windy up there, but not too bad. Just a little bit here. And there we had a successful flight, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro with the beta firmware for the DJI Smart Controller.
Question of the day. What did you think of my beta firmware testing of the DJI Mavic 2 Pro? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.